and a day in my life in Vienna as well, or probably a couple. Today I have a very touristy day because my mom is visiting me actually, so we are going to Belvedere right now. We just grabbed some coffee and breakfast. And now we will go to Belvedere to museum to see some stuff. So let's go, let's have a very Viennese day together. And also look at the background. It is just a random building here. Every freaking corner looks so beautiful. I can't get over this city. Let's go. I'm so excited. A zobacz tam. Midday reset back home. It's so good to live in a city that you're sightseeing because you can just go back home and reset. Anyhow, we came back home to make some lunch, have some downtime after seeing the Belvedere, which every time, it's most my second time seeing it, and it's stunning every time. I love seeing the Klimt paintings and Monet as well. Just amazing. Even if you're not into art, like I don't know much about it, but I can still appreciate how beautiful it is. And now, after a bit of reset, we'll go back to the city center. And today is Pride in Vienna. So happy Pride, guys. And let's go to the Pride Village, I think it's called. I don't know. We'll try to catch the Pride March at its end and then maybe go to the village, depending on how it will look like there. Such a hot day today. It was literally 30 degrees today. I'm having a headache right now, so excuse my slow talking. Anyhow, my mom went back to Poland today in the morning, so she's no longer in Vienna. As I just said, we had a very, very hot morning day today, so we actually went back to the same coffee shop or like a restaurant, bar kind of vibe by the river that I went to yesterday as well, just to be near some kind of water. Now we are back. I was planning to do pizza today, but I forgot to buy yeast. So, well, not forgot. I just thought that the mix for gluten-free pizza that I have already yeast inside, but it doesn't. So, no pizza. We need to remake our plans. I will... Cat started pooping next to me. I think I need to wait a bit. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick shake just to drink something and also drink something cold, so I will do some raspberry, banana, and maybe spinach shake for now, and then we will see, because I really don't have energy with this kind of weather. We moved to Vienna a week ago, and since then summer really started, and until last week Poland was literally like had a couple days above 20 degrees, but under that was so cold, and now it just fully started and went into a full-blown summer. I just saw on weather forecast that it's supposed to be 32 degrees this week as well. So we're really going for it, but I discovered today that there are some city beaches in Vienna with like some places to swim, of course to sunbathe, and very well organized from what I saw in the pictures. Hello guys, I'm getting ready right now, so I decided to talk with you a little bit. First thing I wanted to talk to you is that I went out yesterday to vlog and I took my camera, but I forgot to put in the memory card, so I didn't get any footage at the end, but I tried out a new cafe called Viviet, and it's absolutely amazing, so I need to talk about it and recommend it to you, because it's in quite like central area, good for like touristic moments as well. And I ate gluten-free pancakes there, a bit in like a Japanese style, so they were very fluffy and thick, and they were very, very, very good. And if you're gluten-free, you know that to find a good gluten-free pancake, it is not a easy thing to do, and to find a gluten-free cafe that serves something more than a brownie is not an easy thing to do either. And they had absolutely amazing choices, and you could choose anything that is in the menu and just make it gluten-free. And besides talking about the gluten-free pancakes, I wanted also to talk about the book that I finished, because I was reading, let me show you, Kim Jong-born in 1982, sorry. I finished it today in the morning. I was actually rereading the book, so you can already tell that I liked it enough to read one more time. But I was actually rereading it because there's like a lot of moments in the book that I prone to quote while having a conversation about women problem or some feminist movements and stuff like that, which apparently I do a lot. I talk a lot about it. So I wanted to reread, because this book started a radical feminist movement in Korea as well, called Freebie. So you can find more information about it, because I don't want to misquote, but generally I really recommend the book. It's quite a heavy topic, because it's about all the universal problems that unfortunately universal problems that women need to deal with while living in a patriarchal world. And it's just sad, because the woman is starting, I think, in the 70s, and a lot of these things didn't change. And even if they changed on a superficial level, but there was no fundamental change being done. So underneath the change that has happened since that time, the problems are still exactly the same. And in today's political climate, I think it's even more important to read stuff like that. So I am currently forcing myself to read classics, feminist books and stuff like that. So if you have any recommendations for me, please recommend, because I know I have a lot to be read, and I have a lot of material to educate myself on. So I'm really open to your recommendations. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna get ready right now, and I will go out to I'm not sure where exactly. I just want to explore the city more.